Just press record or it's already recorded?
It's outside.
Hey, I'm gonna watch that thing on fly.
Okay, it's Day-Day's birthday. Hold on, let me get on the other side. Y'all better not splash me.
It's raining.
That's why I'm right here.
Wait, I gotta back up.
Hold on. Wait, son.
Wait, you want that way?
Woo!
Yes! I don't know how to do it.
Just get in, Dee!
I can't.
She ain't gonna do it, Josh. She playing you. I know y'all ass is cold. She really did get in.
No, I'm myself.
Let her do it by herself. Y'all, it's crazy. It's raining out here. Look. He said his nipples is cold. Y'all some crazy ass kids.
I can't try to get those.
I'm cold.
Okay.
Nene, your nipples are showing.
It's okay. It's cold as fuck.
No. Hey, take them socks off. I'm kind of wring out some. Y'all, it's wet. It's raining one side. Is she cold?
Oh, yeah, cold. Got questions that.
Where my...
I got it. Oh, y'all left? Oh, nobody's not at the house or something?
They are crazy. The washing machine? She said, whoa. He said, whoa, washing machine. I don't know how to work this thing. Is that my